Bad baking, brownies.
So, it was a rainy day outside, so I decided we should cheer it up, Cheer it up. Because I feel like my dog right now. I want to run away. So I decided to cheer it up by making some brownies. And I'm awful at baking. I've made brownies a lot. I like experimenting with brownies. I like choosing different recipes. I like doing that type of stuff. It's fun, it's fresh, it's cool. So, of course, you start out brownies with butter. Of course, we all know that butter is essential to life. You need butter. You need at least a pound of butter in every recipe you ever make. That is the only second way. And I'm melting butter through a microwave because I'm lazy. So now we're going to move on to the next step. So after you melt your butter in the microwave for 30-second things, you put the butter in, of course. And then you put all the wet ingredients into one box. In the main bowl. Thank you, Rosie Panasino. Oh my gosh, I can't pronounce anyone's name. For teaching me the true life skill of baking by putting all the wets together, and you put all the dry so you mix them up. Hello, thank you. And then so this is me failing to crack an egg open with one hand. Judge me. I am awful at this. Oh my gosh. Stop, sister. I love it. I'm here for it. Look at my messy kitchen. We stand. So this is me failing again. Failing. Keep on failing. It's a joyride. It truly is a failure. Yeah. So I stopped recording and so I just look at this cute setup, It's so fun. It's so fresh. It's so ooh. Look at me. And then so I'm in my quilt of protection. And I can crack open an egg. I can do that, believe it or not. Thank you very much. I can do that skill. And then we're gonna get some vanilla extract. Let's get that heart in here. So you put all the wet ingredients, obviously. So I keep on doing the wet ingredients. Keep on putting the wet ingredients in there. I'm waiting a second because I'm getting a tablespoon. And that's where she is. She's over there. She's sitting there. She's living her best life, So we take out and we put in a teaspoon, I think? I have no idea. It's been like a couple minutes since I filmed this. So I think we're getting in a teaspoon or something. I have no idea. Yeah, we're getting in a teaspoon, tablespoon. You open it up. Also, it took a million years for me to find the vanilla extract. I haven't done baking in a hot minute. So now we're just... Ooh, it's about to be the moment. Swoosh! There she goes in. Swoosh! There she is, So now everything is good. We have all the wets together. Let's get this bread. Love this moment of peace, I guess. So now we're going on to get all the dries in there, and I didn't film it, so here's the bowl of all the dry ingredients together, and we're gonna swoosh. Take a fork and you swoosh that bad boy up, by the way. And look at my dog. He's on the heating vent. He's living his best life. Isn't he so cute? Look at him. He always likes the heating vent during the winter, and it's cold outside, so look at him. And look at the pre-made brownies. They're not pre-made at all. This isn't from a box at all. This is from scratch, baby. Homemade. And then, so now we're just rinsing it out. I'm sorry, this much is bad. I said that already, but... So, that's the brownie mix that we made together. Home scratched. You should be baking along with me, actually. If you're not, that's fine. Ooh, she's getting aggressive. Okay. So now we have a whole thing, and we preheat the oven to like 400 degrees. I have no idea. The recipe will be in the description below. So we have all these brownies. Look at her and her glory. We have the brownies in the glory. The great glory of them all. My PC's about to die. That's cool. So we have her, and we're putting her into the thing, and we're letting her cook. Yay! And I didn't film me cooking it. Bye!
Thank you for watching.